To watch the full lecture of all subjects, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon because whenever I post the new videos, you will get the immediate notifications. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll solve one more problem on borrowing cost. So the question is on the screen. Please take the screenshot of the question or at least pause the video and write down the question. Z company acquired a loan to construct the qualifying asset. The construction cost, so the total construction cost is 40 lakh. A loan was taken to the extent of half of this, means half of 40 lakh was taken as a loan. So half of 40 lakh, for 40 ಲಕ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಧ ಲೋನ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 20 ಲಕ್ಷ ಲೋನ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರು on. So this loan was taken on 1st of April. So 1st of April they took the loan. The loan was subject to the rate 6% interest. The construction. So now they have given the details about the construction. The construction commenced. So construction ಯಾವಾಗ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. The construction commenced on 31st May and it ended, means the construction was completed on 31st March. So if you count totally, it will be how many months? Start counting from June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. It will be 10 months. So 10 months time they took for construction. Next, further, the construction. Okay, company deposited 6 lakh rupees. So in this problem they have even given something deposited also. Company deposited 6 lakh rupees, okay, from 1st April to 31st April. So from 1st April to 31st April means for 1 month the company had deposited for 1 month. One thing deposit ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, calculate borrowing cost capitalized. The asset value and interest on deposit is 10%. So for this deposit they will get 10%. Whatever the problems we solved till now, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಆಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಅವರ್ ಓನ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್, calculation of borrowing cost or interest. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಲೋನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಲೋನ್. ನೌ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಲೋನ್. So how much is the loan amount? The loan amount is how much? It is, here we have written 20 lakh. So the loan amount is 20 lakh into 6%. So 20 lakh into 6%. How much? Let us calculate. 20 lakh into 6%. So 20 lakh into 6% is 1,20,000. So 20 lakh into 6% ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1,20,000 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೋನ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಲೆಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಲೋನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಲೋನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್, ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟೋದು. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್? Amount of deposit is 6 lakh into what is the rate of deposits? It is 10%. So 6 lakh into 10%, but the loan is not taken for one full year. It is only taken for 1 month. So 1 divided by 12. When you solve, it will be 6 lakh into 10% into 1 divided by 12 will be 5,000. So that 5,000 you need to subtract. From this 1,20,000, subtract this 5,000. So 1,20,000 minus 5,000, you will get 1,15,000 interest. But this 1,15,000 completely we will not capitalize. ಈ 1,15,000ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಭಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಮುಗೀತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ಡೌನ್ 1,15,000 into how many months the construction took place. Let us check the question. The construction took place for 10 months. Construction 10 ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ ನಡೆದಿದೆ out of 12 months. So when you calculate this 1,15,000 into 10 divided by 12, you will get 95,833 rupees. This is the capitalized. This we will capitalize, means we will add to the value of PPE or construction cost. Remaining, how to find out this remaining? That is 1,15,000 minus how much is capitalized? We have capitalized 95,833 equals minus 95,833 will be 19,167 rupees. This will go to statement of P&L account because it is nowhere considered as a directly attributable expenses. Now next step, we have to find out the reporting value. So construction cost plus borrowing cost capitalized. Construction cost plus borrowing cost capitalized. What is the construction cost? Construction cost here we have, it is 40 lakh. Construction cost is 40 lakh. Plus how much is the borrowing cost capitalized? It is 95,833. If you add all these things, you will get the reporting value. So the answer will be 40,95,833. Hope you have understood how to solve the problem. If you have any doubts or queries while solving the problem, please put all your doubts and queries in the comment box so that I'll respond to your doubts and queries as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video. If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.